and fat transfer and hair transplant.
Excellent.
Okay, thank you so much. So we're gonna start with the first question. Is many people are afraid of the liposuction that it's not safe, unhealthy. So what are you gonna say about that?
As far as safety of liposuction goes, it all depends on the overall health of the individual who wants to get the liposuction, as well as the skill of the operator. So if you're in good hands and you're carefully considered as a good candidate and you don't have significant risk for liposuction, it's a very safe procedure. We have done hundreds, if not thousands, of procedures so far in the clinic, and we have not had one single significant reaction or bad outcome. As far as the discomfort and the pain level that people may complain about liposuction, yes, there is some discomfort involved as with any other minimally invasive procedure, but it's not significant. Most people can take it without much of a problem. We have protocols for pain control, which are very effective and make it a reasonably tolerable procedure.
Okay. ចានៅក្នុងថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំបានផ្ដល់ជាសំណួរដំបូងសួរថាតើការបូមខ្លាញ់ហ្នឹងគឺមនុស្សជាច្រើនដែលខ្លាចការបូមខ្លាញ់មែនតើពីព្រោះគិតថាការបូមខ្លាញ់ហ្នឹងអត់មានសុវត្ថិភាពមានគ្រោះថ្នាក់ឬក៏បូមហើយតែអាចមានគ្រោះថ្នាក់ដល់ជីវិតអីចឹងទៅអញ្ចឹងលោកគ្រូពេទ្យក៏បានបកស្រាយឲ្យថាពួកយើងគឺមាន procedure នៅក្នុងការធ្វើត្រឹមត្រូវមានន័យថាមានដំណាក់កាលនៅក្នុងការធ្វើត្រឹមត្រូវទី1គឺយើងត្រូវពិនិត្យសុខភាពហើយតើសុខភាពអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានឹងរឹងមាំនៅក្នុងការទទួលយកនៅសេវាកម្មមួយនេះបានទើបយើងធ្វើយើងមាននិយាយទៅគឺយើងមានគ្រប់ដំណាក់កាលទាំងអស់ដែលធានាសុវត្ថិភាពដល់លោកអ្នករហូតទៅដល់ដំណាក់កាលនៅក្នុងការគ្រប់គ្រងការឈឺចាប់ផងដែរចាអរគុណច្រើនឥឡូវយើងសួរបន្ទាប់ទៀតចង់ដឹងថាតើពេលបូមខ្លាញ់ហើយហ្នឹងពេលណាទើបយើងឃើញលទ្ធផល Doctor, so how long it takes until we can see the result?
A lot of the results are actually immediately visible after the liposuction.
Yes.
After the liposuction, there is some swelling that happens invariably in everyone. And that can kick in within a few hours, and then after a few hours, the swelling continues on. We also have protocols to decrease that swelling significantly over the next 2 weeks. Most of the swelling is gone within 2 weeks. So you have your initial result off the table after the procedure is done, and then after that, about 2 weeks after the procedure, we get some good preliminary results. But the improvement keeps getting better and better for about 3 to 6 months after the procedure. The final result that we actually judge it, the success of the liposuction, and the final result is at about 3 to 6 months after the procedure.
Okay. ចាគឺការបូមខ្លាញ់នេះគឺនាងខ្ញុំសួរគាត់ថាតើពេលណាទើបឃើញលទ្ធផលលោកដុកទ័របាននិយាយថាការបូមខ្លាញ់ភ្លាមៗហ្នឹងគឺអាចនឹងឃើញលទ្ធផលភ្លាមៗហើយប៉ុន្តែគឺស្បែករបស់យើងហ្នឹងនឹងមានការហើមបន្តិចហើយនៅពេលដែលស្បែករបស់យើងហើមហ្នឹងគឺវានឹងសន្សឹមបាត់ទៅនៅក្នុងរយៈពេល2អាទិត្យហើយទទួលលទ្ធផលល្អមែនតើហ្នឹងនៅក្នុងរយៈពេលពី3ទៅ6ខែសំណួរទី3ហ្នឹងនាងខ្ញុំចង់ដឹងថាតើស្រកហ្នឹងស្រករយៈពេលប្រហែលទើបខ្លាញ់វាត្រឡប់មកវិញឬក៏ស្រកទៅរហូត So the third question is how long does the weight stay off?
It's not a matter of weight.
Okay.
Liposuction is not a weight reducing procedure.
Okay.
It's a shaping procedure. The liposuction is meant for people who are close to their ideal body weight, but they have bulges, these areas that are difficult to get rid of, such as men having heavier breast tissue that as a result of aging or as a result of puberty stays on there, and they have larger than normal breasts for men. Even a very fit man can have those. It's just a matter of excess tissue and excess fat accumulation in an area that's hard to get rid of even with diet and exercise. Therefore, we were talking about the bulge coming but not coming back. If somebody has excessive weight and they're suffering from obesity, the treatment is not liposuction. It's weight loss first and then liposuction for areas that are difficult to get rid of. As far as how long the results last, if somebody undergoes liposuction and they have the ideal result that they want, they get the shape they want, as long as they maintain their healthy weight, they're going to enjoy the results of the liposuction. But if they gain significant amount of weight, that excessive weight and that excessive fat tissue is distributed evenly everywhere in the body. It goes to the face, it goes to the neck, it goes to the chest, arms, stomach, legs, and elsewhere. So as a result, because there are still some fat cells remaining in the area of the liposuction, we cannot possibly take out all the fat cells. Those fat cells can again get bigger. So you can get thicker tissue, thicker skin, and thicker fat layer in the area that has had liposuction, but it doesn't get as big and as unsightly as before.
អូខេចានេះខ្ញុំសួរថាតើស្រកហ្នឹងគឺស្រកបានរយៈពេលយូរប៉ុណ្ណាគឺដុកទ័របានមានប្រសាសន៍ថាការដែលបូមខ្លាញ់ហ្នឹងគឺមិនមែនការធ្វើឲ្យស្រកគីឡូទេការធ្វើឲ្យស្រកគីឡូហ្នឹងចាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាអាចទៅធ្វើវិធីសម្រក់គីឡូតាមរយៈពេលផ្សេងដូចជាតមអាហារឬក៏ហាត់ប្រាណអីចឹងទៅតែការបូមខ្លាញ់ហ្នឹងគឺជាការកំណត់នៅរូបរាងដែលខ្លួនឯងចង់បានដូចជាអ្នកខ្លះគាត់ចង់បានក្បាលពោះតូចត្រគាកធំអញ្ចឹងគាត់មានត្រគាកធំហើយក៏មានក្បាលពោះធំអញ្ចឹងគាត់បូមយកតែខ្លាញ់ក្បាលពោះចេញមានន័យថាក្បាលពោះគាត់នឹងតូចត្រគាកគាត់នៅដដែលគឺនឹងមិនប៉ះពាល់ដល់កន្លែងដែលយើងអាចបានបូមទេហើយអ្វីដែលសំខាន់ហ្នឹងគឺនៅពេលដែលយើងញ៉ាំច្រើនហ្នឹងខ្លាញ់របស់យើងនឹងកើតឡើងនៅគ្រប់ទីកន្លែងដូចជាមុខដៃជើងនិយាយទៅគ្រប់ទីកន្លែងតែម្ដងហើយវានឹងកើតឡើងនៅកន្លែងដែលយើងបានបូមទៅដែរប្រសិនបើយើងអត់ធ្វើការតមអាហារដូច្នេះហើយនេះខ្ញុំបានសួរហ្នឹងគឺលោកគ្រូពេទ្យបានឆ្លើយជាចម្លើយសរុបមួយគឺមានន័យថាប្រសិនបើលោកអ្នកធ្វើការពិសាច្រើននឹងបន្តអាហារខ្លាញ់នឹងត្រឡប់វិញប៉ុន្តែគាត់ធានាថាវានឹងមិនក្រាស់ឬក៏មិនខ្លាញ់ច្រើនដូចមុនពេលដែលយើងបូមទេអរគុណច្រើនឥឡូវនេះសំណួរចុងក្រោយនៅក្នុងការបូមខ្លាញ់គឺនេះខ្ញុំចង់សួរថាតើមានផលប៉ះពាល់អ្វីដែរឬទេចា៎ Doctor, so the last question of liposuction, does it have any side effect?
Any procedure can have adverse reactions to it and adverse outcomes, but as a general rule, liposuction is a very safe procedure. In skilled hands, we usually don't have much of adverse reactions. But there are, just as any other surgical procedure, there are risks that are associated with a minimally invasive procedure, and those risks include a surgical infection,
yes,
which very rarely can happen in even the most sterile situations. There is a risk of a little bit of bleeding, either external or internal. There is a little bit of risk of a condition called seroma, which is abnormal accumulation of normal body secretion in the area of the liposuction, which could be a little bit of trouble for the person who is suffering from it. In my thousands of liposuctions, I have only seen 3 cases of seroma and 2 cases of internal bleeding, which were very minor. They didn't need significant interventions. In unskilled hands or not carefully selected cases, trauma to internal organs and damage to internal organs can happen. There have been reports of significant issues if that happens, but we have never had any such complication. As with any other procedure, allergic reactions to anything that we use for patients, excessive sedation after the procedure, these could happen, but again, we have never seen any of that.
Okay. ចានេះខ្ញុំបានសួរថាតើមានផលប៉ះពាល់អ្វីទេចាលោកគ្រូពេទ្យបាននិយាយថាលោកគ្រូពេទ្យបូមខ្លាញ់មកមនុស្សរាប់ពាន់នាក់ហើយគឺមានត្រឹមតែ3ករណីប៉ុណ្ណោះដែលមានបញ្ហាហើយបញ្ហានៅក្នុងនោះគឺមានការហូរឈាមនៅខាងក្នុងស្បែកនៅក្នុងខ្លួនតែម្ដងចាហើយអាចនឹងមានផលប៉ះពាល់ខ្លះដែរបើសិនជាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានិយាយទៅគឺអត់បានពិនិត្យសុខភាពយ៉ាងម៉ត់ចត់ថាសុខភាពខ្លួនឯងនឹងល្អគ្រប់គ្រាន់រឹងមាំនៅក្នុងការបូមខ្លាញ់បាននឹងអាចនឹងជួបបញ្ហាអញ្ចឹងមុនពេលដែលមកបូមខ្លាញ់នឹងគឺត្រូវសំខាន់តែម្ដងគឺត្រូវ make sure ថាសុខភាពរបស់ខ្លួនឯងនឹងគឺរឹងមាំគ្រប់គ្រាន់នឹងអាចបូមខ្លាញ់បានហើយអ្នកដែលមានការ allergy ជាមួយនឹងការបូមខ្លាញ់ណាពីព្រោះថាការបូមខ្លាញ់នឹងត្រូវប្រើថ្នាំផ្សេងត្រូវប្រើឧបករណ៍ផ្សេងបើគិតសិនជាមានការ allergy ជាមួយនឹងឧបករណ៍ឬក៏ថ្នាំប្រើប្រាស់ដែលយើងនឹងធ្វើការប្រើប្រាស់ទៅលើលោកអ្នកហ្នឹងអាចនឹងមានផលប៉ះពាល់ផងដែរអញ្ចឹងនិយាយទៅគឺគ្មានអ្វីដែលមានសុវត្ថិភាព 100% ទេប៉ុន្តែលោកគ្រូពេទ្យនិយាយថាបើសិនជាយើងធ្វើការជ្រើសរើសនៅអ្នកជំងឺក៏ដូចជាអ្នកដែលមកបូមខ្លាញ់ហ្នឹងដែលមានសុខភាពល្អគ្រប់គ្រាន់ហ្នឹងគឺមិនងាយនឹងទទួលបានផលប៉ះពាល់នោះទេ Thank you